Hey everybody, Brooks from Drag Times here. Welcome to the channel. Today I got a pretty cool video for you. We have my friend Miguel's Ferrari 812 Superfast modified by Wheels Boutique. It has IPE exhaust, no cats, along with a tune from Dynospectrum. So I want to talk about the dyno results here and the dyno numbers because we're calling it 900 horsepower, but that's only because of the way Ferrari's power is put down and what drivetrain losses there might be. So this car came into the dyno already having the exhaust and cats removed, and the baseline results from that was 660 horsepower to the wheels. Now, since we don't have a baseline beforehand, we're estimating that it picked up about 30 horsepower from removing the cats and adding that exhaust system. So as you'll see in the dyno results I'm about to roll, it picked up some pretty substantial amount of power from the tune from Dynospectrum. It went from 660 horsepower to 717 horsepower at the wheels. That is more than my McLaren 720S makes. So there are basically two ways to calculate the numbers here. If we take the horsepower pickup from 630 horsepower to 717 horsepower, which is 87 horsepower, and add that to the number that Ferrari states from the factory, which is 788 horsepower, we get 875 horsepower. Pretty good. So the other way to do it is if we calculate the drivetrain loss. So if we say 630 horsepower, to get to that 788, that's a 20% loss. That is huge. And from the dual clutch transmission in this 812, I really don't think it's that much. So either the car's really not making 788 horsepower or there's a huge drivetrain loss. Either way you want to look at it, it really doesn't matter. But if we take that 20% from the power and add it from the 717 wheel horsepower, add the 20%, we actually get 896 horsepower. Round that up, we got a 900 horsepower Ferrari. So in this video, I'm going to show you, we're comparing against Mike's brand new McLaren 600LT Spider. We took it out to the track to get some baseline runs, tune it, and then take it back out to see before and after results at the track. So you're going to see me show the McLaren 600LT run down the quarter mile, and then my friend Miguel trying to beat me in the 812 Superfast. And as you'll see, the numbers are super close. Unfortunately, the track only gave us one lane that night, and we were not able to do heads-up racing. I was pretty disappointed in that, but nevertheless, we'll have the McLaren 600LT Spider running down, and then stock, and then you'll see us run the 812 Superfast. We also have the Draggy in the car and the V-Box, so you'll get the full set of numbers from this 812 Superfast. I gotta say, this car just sounds incredible. The V12 with the dual clutch is just fantastic. If you're looking for an exotic car, V12 with dual clutch, I think the Ferrari is the only option in the game. The Aventador is awesome as well, but that still has that single clutch, which makes it considerably slower. Also, I should know we should compare this 812 Superfast to the stock 812 Superfast I ran a few months ago. That car ran 10.8 at 133 miles an hour. I'll show that run as well, and then you can see what kind of gains you're going to get from exhaust, no cats, and tune. Don't forget the stock baseline run we ran a few months ago was definitely in better weather. It was really hot and humid out for this run tonight, or for this run you're about to see. DA was like 16 to 1800, super humid. So I expect some better numbers out of this Superfast as the temperatures cool down during wintertime. We'll take the car back out and see what we can get. I'm expecting some better numbers. Nevertheless, here's the videos. Thanks for watching.
Okay, vamos a ver aquí. Dynospectrum, Dynospectrum Mitchell. to the wheels. Yep, beautiful.
so next up we got, how much horsepower does this thing make? 812 Superfast tuned, exhaust with tires.
Yeah.
720 of the wheels?
Pretty much, yeah.
So it picked up 100 horsepower.
Close by.
So 100 horsepower over stock. He's trying to beat me though.
Yeah, well,
with a stock McLaren 600LT.
I would take the kids to school with this thing, okay?
Taking me to school?
No, the kids.
Oh, the kids.
Okay,
oh, the
this
kids.
Is, this is something. This is.
But Mostro actually has 600LT Spider too.
Yeah. We'll see
Let's
what happens.
Let's hear it. For 136 miles an hour.
Dude, everybody's
wow.
148.
What did he do?
What happened? He got me. He did 1047. I did 1040.
Hey.
1049.
Hey, where's Alex? Where's Kevin? We need to tune right now.
All right, we got to turn the tune. Get the tune.
All right, so yeah, he beat me in the 600, so we have to tune it now so I can kick his butt.
Yeah, let's run it.
Come on. You can't beat a McLaren.
What?
Bro, that was a
10.6.
10.6.
10.7.
Oh my God, dude.
Oh wait, 10.47. Sorry.
What is it, bro?
10.47. You beat me by 2 1,000ths. But wait, I'm gonna go tune the. We're gonna go tune the 600. I'm gonna
I'll be back.
Wait, no, wait. Hey, let's put the key back.